What's the meaning of channel? Channel. Channel.
Channel. Channel. The term channel can have different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a medium or pathway through which something, such as information, goods, or services, is conveyed or delivered. In the context of media, channel can refer to a specific television or radio station broadcasting content over the airwaves. In a business context, channels can refer to distribution networks or sales channels through which products or services are sold to end users. In short, a channel is typically a means of conveying or delivering something to a target audience or endpoint.